Here are some cookie tin water heaters I built. A couple I built last year and used to keep the chicken water from freezing, and that worked really well. You see, this one is made from a cookie tin with a light shade socket. This one also has a lamp socket. This one is made from parts I found at a flea market. As you can see, this socket plugs into this outlet. The cord is an old extension cord that had quit working. I drilled a hole through the side, ran the cord through, then wired it into this female end. This light socket just plugs into the female end. Then you put the lid on it like this. You plug it in. The light keeps the cookie tin warm. You set the chicken water on it, and that keeps your water from freezing.